Okay, below, let's continue with the level 1 review. We have everything from what we mentioned earlier. However, if you don't get what I'm talking about or why I answer like this, you can ask me questions during the lesson, or you can refer to the video I mentioned earlier. Now, let me just do everything quickly, so maybe we can finish in 5 minutes. Write the letter name of the ledger line and space note. Okay, this one I'm going to go with a very quick review for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a treble clef, a bass clef with a bar line and a spruce at the beginning. Now, use another color of pencil. You can see better. This is middle C. Okay, up to 1, 2, 3, the third space, we name this is treble C. Down 1, 2, 3, this is down, third space down, this is we call bass C. 8 true ledger line, this we name as high C in treble clef. Down to ledger line, this we call as a low C. So we can tell those are contrary motion. Middle C up to treble C, up third space to treble C, down a third space to bass C. They are the same picture. It's one go up, one go down. Middle C at 2 ledger line to high C. This is again middle C and the 2 ledger line down to low C. So these two are contrary as well. And the middle one here is a middle C, right? You don't have to write down the answer below with a high C, low C, bass C. As long as it's C, it's fine. Now, refer to this picture here. Refer to the picture here. It's easy for you to answer this quick. So, high C, low C, middle C. This one here is middle C. Middle C, one step up to D. 2 ledger line is C. Go one step down to B. This is middle C. Count space down, B, line A, G, C, B, A, G, lower G. This one, 2 ledger line is C. C down to space is B, down to the line, which is A. This C is exactly same as this C, middle C. This is middle C, count C, space is D, 1 ledger line is E in bass clef. Good. Continue. This 2 ledger line is C. And one step up, that's a note D. 2 ledger line is high C. Step down is B. This is middle C. Middle C, go one step down to B. 2 ledger line low here is C. Skip space down up to E. 1 ledger line is middle C. D, E, this note F. 2 ledger line here is high C. Go one step up to D. This is the middle C. Step down, that's A. I hope you got right. That's easy. But you must know this picture really very well. So it's better that you make a copy, okay? Learn how to draw this. Continue. Draw the notes. This major 5-finger patterns and triads. Triads means you have first, third, and fifth note to like make them line up and then play together. Now C major, C, D, E, F, G with the C major chord. C minor, which is the parallel minor key of C major. Same C, D, E, F, G. Draw down C, E, G. However, minor, you need to lower a half step on the third. Again, that's a rule, okay? You always need to find the minor scale or minor chord from the C major, but lower the half step, the third, a half step down. So C, D, E, E, white key E, lower half step, become E flat. So C, E flat, G right here. That's the C minor triad. D major, D, E, F, G, A. So D, F, A. Remember in the key of D major from the circle of fifth. D major here, you carry two sharps, F sharp and C sharp. Is there F sharp in this 5 fingers scale? Yes, the third one is F sharp. So you also give F sharp here. And then keep doing the same thing, D, E, F, G, A. However, the F is sharped in the major key. Now we need a lower half step down on the F, the third note of the scale. So F sharp, go half step down as F natural, white key. That's why you need to give a natural sign here. Okay, F major, this is bass clef, so F is down here. F, G, A, B, C, F, A, C. The thing is, in the key of F major, what do you get? The key signature has one B flat. Yeah, the key signature has one flat sign on B. So the B has to go with the flat sign. F, G, A, B flat, and C. So is there a B flat in the chord? No, so you don't worry about it. Now F, G, A, B, C. We still need to put the key signature on. However, the A need to lower a half step. That's the third. We need to lower a half step down on the third. A, you lower half step down, which is A flat. And there's A flat as well. You need to also write down like F, A flat, and C. So that's the F minor triad. You got it all right? Okay, continue next one. Draw the notes of this major scale and primary triad. Okay, we mentioned about this, but you might forgot. Let's review quick. In treble clef, okay, we draw scale F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F. Now, this is the major scale. Correct? No. This is what we need. F major scale. F major, you carry one B flat. So we need to give a flat sign to the B. Now you find me note 1. You find me note 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You find me the note, 5th one, and write down 5 here. You take F as the root in chord 1. You take B flat as a root in chord 4. And you take the root C as a root in chord 5. Now, we mentioned how you draw the triad. If this is note in space, then you add another 2 notes above, same in space. So F, A, C. This is not a B, it's a B flat. B, D, F. They must be all line, line, line. Next one, take a C as a root. C, E, G. That's the chord 5. So FAC is chord 1. B flat, D, and F is chord 4. And C, E, G is chord 5 in the key of F major. After you're done, you must check, okay? If there is any other B, you need to give a flat sign to the B. and seems there is nothing else in B, so don't worry about it. G major in bass clef, starting the note G. G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Watch out, you need to spread out the notes like this. Don't squeeze them and only use part of the space. Just spread them out, look nice, okay? Spread them out and spread them evenly. So this is note 1, this is note 4, and this is the 5th degree of the scale. So we take G as root in chord 1, take C as the root, and then D as the root. You know what, we forgot one thing to do before we draw those roots. Key signature. G major carry 1 sharp sign, so you need to give the sharp sign to F. That's a key signature. G, A, B, C, D, E, F. Draw an F sharp here. I don't do it well. This is a line note F. Then F sharp seems like on line or in space. So I don't do well. I want to be more specific and more accurate. So nobody doubt my answer. So Titato stay in between the bar line. See that? Not bar line, I'm sorry, line 4. Oh, goodness. Okay, now put the root G as the 1st degree of the scale. C, the 4th degree of the scale, as a root in chord 4. D as the 5th degree of the scale, which is a root in the chord 5. Now, line note, go on, line, line, space, 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 line, line, line. There's 1 F sharp in the scale. Are there F sharp in this 3 chord? G, B, D, no F. C, E, G, no F. D, F, A, yes. So we need to put a sharp sign to the F. So this D, F sharp, A form the chord 5 in the key of G major. That's the answer. Make sense? Okay. We do need to draw a very simple circle of fifths in order to be answered, in order to answer this question quick. Okay. Now, if you don't, then you must have this paper next to you. The thing is, you cannot carry this circle of fifths to the test, so you're gonna get trouble, right? So let's do this. It only show the question up to 2 sharps and 2 flats, so that's easy to do. I just draw this, okay? A small circle, 0, 1 sharp, 2 sharp, 1 flat, 2 flat. Then C upper fifth, G upper fifth, D. C down fifth to F, down fifth to B flat. Then I put the order of sharp sign. Fat cat gets dizzy after eating bugs. This is the order of sharp sign, and this is backward order is the order of flat sign. Those are the things I encourage you to do. Now, with 1 sharp, which is G major, see how quick I can have it done. 1 flat sign, which is F major. 0 sharp or flats at all, C major. 2 sharp, which is D major. 2 flats, it's B flat major, C. I have it done in 5 seconds. But if you don't learn how to draw the simple, you say like a simplified circle of fifths, you will need to keep thinking and spend maybe like 5 minutes to finish. Anyway, draw this picture first, and you can have those answers out in 5 seconds. Right the way you count. Watch out, there are time signature 2, 4. There's also time signature 6/8. Okay. Time signature 2/4. Quarter note gets a bit. You must be able to count up to 2 bits full. So this again, dotted quarter note 1 and 2. This note end. After bar line, this is 1 again. And this F rest and this quarter note 2 and that's the answer. Time signature 6/8. As note gets 1 bit there, you must write the counting in each major up to 6 bits, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Continue. Oh, after bar line 1, perfect. Then dash 2, 3, because the dot is a quarter note here in time signature 6/8. That's 3 bits. Another dotted quarter rest again. 4, 5, 6. Done. What is the rhythm called? Do you remember? 3 half note beam together with this italic 3 above. That's triplet. 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 Okay, write the meaning for each term. In your test, there will be like a question with match. This one, be more specific. You need to learn how to write. PP means pianissimo. Okay. Oh, I think I'm wrong. It's 2S. Pian. This is very confused in music because most of music terminology is in Italian. Pianissimo. Okay, this is mezzo piano. Mezzo forte. This is a fortissimo. Okay. And allegro. You know, I still doubt if this is good. Fortissimo. Fortissimo. I think it's 2M. Oh gosh, I'm confused myself. So S-I-M-M-O. I changed my answer. I will double check later, but I think it's 1S, 2M. Oh gosh. This is also the question my professor at my first year in doctoral program asked me. How do you spell pianissimo? Oh, I don't remember. It's 2S or 2M. And then he is a professor. Anyway, and then he also asked me, how do you spell arpeggio? It's 2P or 2G? Hello, I give answer to you. You go and find out the answer. Arpeggio means you play C, E, G, C, E, G. How you spell arpeggio. Okay, continue. Andante, that's walking tempo. Moderato, medium, 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 medium tempo, medium speed. Ritardando, gradually slow down. You need to have the gradually involved, okay? It's not just slow down, it's gradually slowing down. This mark here is a fermata. It means what? To hold the note, what? Longer? Or you say pause. Okay, that's the answer. Thank you for watching today. Bye.